Let's set up an if statement to make sure our balance sheet is balanced. Now, for the sake of the video, I've created a very condensed, simplified balance sheet, but for this exercise, all we need to make sure is that total assets equal total liabilities and equity. So we can create a little subsection underneath. If we do, we can create a little sub box underneath, and we can write something like balance sheet check. And then let's go into the next cell and do equals, and then we can start an if statement. So let's press tab, it's the first one that pops up, and this is our logical statement. This is what we want to say what will happen if. So we want total assets to equal total liabilities and equity. And then if we press comma, it's going to ask us what we want if it's true. So we can do quotations balanced. And then comma, if our statement is false, we can do quotations not balanced. If we click enter, we can see that everything is balanced because 180 equals 180. So let's go into PP&E and let's change something. Let's do this number and click enter. Now it says not balanced. Very nice. But we can take it a step further and make it look visually appealing. We can do some conditional formatting. If we do Alt-H-L-N, we can set up a new rule. We can go to the bottom and say, use a formula to determine which cells to format. So if we click tab and then we go into the cell that says balanced or not balanced and we click equals and then open the quotation marks to say balanced, we can click tab and then go to format. I'm going to use my mouse, don't cringe, and I'm going to pick a green color and I'm going to click OK. So if we go back and click 90,000 and click enter, our cell is now green. Now we also need to set up a conditional formatting for in case it's not balanced. So we can do same thing, same cell, but equals, open quotations, not balanced. And then go into formatting. I'm going to pick a red color this time and click OK. And then now if I click 80,000 whatever, now it says not balanced. We have just created an if statement with conditional formatting.